Hey Nash, watching Oppenheimer again? That California Trophy Truck helmet came in. Dude, what's your deal? Back up, man. Why are you all up in my business here? Oh, because it freaking stinks. Holy shit. Oh, man. This is like a giant diarrhea accident. Oh, entitled Californians. This is the worst piece of, oh my God, that reeks. Holy Christ. No wonder why you're so excited. Oh, I'm gonna puke. Oh my God, my hands stink. But luckily he said no budget. No budget limit. Here we go. This one's for you, Tristan. Batman. See, Tristan? That's Batman sneaking up behind Batman. Hey Nash, who do you think's gonna win? Alabama or Carolina? Nash, hey, who do you think's gonna win, buddy? Oh, dude, those are new shoes.